Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels during pregnancy. A guide for expectant moms with diabetes. Welcome to today's video on maintaining healthy blood sugar levels during pregnancy. A guide for expectant moms with diabetes. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, but it can also come with extra challenges for women with diabetes. Today, we'll share tips on how to manage your blood sugar levels and ensure a healthy pregnancy. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. This helps you understand how your body responds to different foods and activities. Use a glucose meter to measure your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Next, focus on eating a well-balanced diet. Choose whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid sugary foods and drinks as they can spike your blood sugar levels. Staying active is key during pregnancy, but make sure to consult your healthcare provider before starting any exercise routine. Activities like walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga can help manage blood sugar levels and improve overall well-being. If you're on insulin, it's important to adjust your dosage with the guidance of your healthcare provider. Insulin requirements may change during pregnancy, so regular monitoring and proper adjustments are essential. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and prioritize a good night's rest. Lack of sleep can affect your insulin sensitivity, making it harder to control your blood sugar levels. Stay connected with your healthcare team. Regular checkups and appointments with your obstetrician, endocrinologist, and diabetes educator are crucial. They can guide you throughout your pregnancy journey and address any concerns you may have. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Reach out to other expectant moms with diabetes through support groups or online communities. Sharing experiences and tips can provide you with emotional support and valuable insights. In conclusion, managing your blood sugar levels during pregnancy is essential for the health of both you and your baby. By monitoring your levels, following a balanced diet, staying active, adjusting insulin as needed, getting enough sleep, and staying connected with your healthcare team, you can have a healthy and fulfilling pregnancy. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide has been helpful in managing your blood sugar levels during pregnancy. For more videos on health and wellness, subscribe to our channel. Take care and best wishes for a happy, healthy pregnancy.